Our incubator have fuse if it's blown out, controller, and then for ang manual turning mo pa nga sticker Mar. For manual turning for the egg tray to turn if you want manual turn, but it is automatic. By the time it reaches the time, the egg tray will turn automatically. And we have a vent hole for the purpose now when the time overheat, you can open this hole. Mar, ko na Mar. And then we have a spare bulb, incandescent bulb, 50 watts. And then we have a water pad. Okay.
Does it say about the humidity?
Yes, okay. We have a monitoring for humidity here.
Okay.
It is here is the temperature and here is the humidity. We have two set of the humidity. We have ST, we will use 53 to 63% when the time is the egg is placed here.
Yeah.
From 0 to 18 days old, the humidity only need is 53 to 63%.
And then when they start hatching, then you
when start to 70-75, use bigger water pan. Okay, you can start the incubator first with no water. Then after 1 hour, you preheat the incubator for 1 hour, and then with no water. Okay, after preheating 1 hour, you load the eggs at the top, or you can remove this, ma'am, if there was no egg still here, and then you can place a newspaper below so that it's easy to clean, and place some tape so that it's easy to clean during harvest time. So place the egg, and then with no water, preheat first 1 hour, and then after 1 hour with no water, place the egg with no water again. Then after 1 hour, monitor the humidity. If the humidity reaches 53 to 63, continue no water. If after 1 hour the humidity below 52, place the small one. Then after 1 hour,
Are you just putting it up here?
yes sir, side, not in the front, on the side only.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay.
And then after 1 hour, if the humidity is low again, you can add another one, smaller one, But it based on experience, it's sometimes there's no water during sitting time, normal. Wait pa. Kasi niloko. So during hatching time, you should add to water so that we could reach 70-75, And then if you have any question later, ma'am, the only thing important, ma'am, is the humidity. So if you have question, or sometimes you should picture only this, ma'am. Bisa naka-close rata na, picturean mo lang, isend mo sa Facebook, kunakon, ma'am. I-friend mo ko sa Facebook. Kaya ang kinalanan ko mo lang, ma'am, is the temperature kag humidity. Pwede ta ka mo i-guide ti dayon, ma'am. Oo. So, if your load is chicken, 21 days. 0 to 18 days old, the egg is here. And then at 18, you can candling, place some lights, or we have also some lights there, but separate.
I bought one. I bought a light.
Bala tumadlog, i-candler naman. Oo.
Yeah, I bought a candling light.
I-candler. So, i-candling is a process to check if it's fertile, or to check if the egg development is okay. You can candling or light the egg maybe 7 days, 10 days, 14 or 18. But here we only check 18 because if you need more space, or you need space earlier, at 7 days you can handling. If to see if the egg is fertile, you see
Red.
The veins.
Yeah, veins.
Just like spider.
Did this slide out?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
good. Slide
And
out.
remove. Okay. Or you can check. Well, check. And then at 18 days old, a good quality check eggs that ready to hatch. The egg should have 1/4 na air sac.
Air sac.
Not clear sa taas.
Yes.
Yeah, on the top.
Yes, on the top. And the egg you place is pointed downward. Ang point
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pointed in down. Okay.
Separate lang na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Separate lang ang price. And then, a good quality eggs that will hatch is, it is 3/4 full. Ang 1/4 is the air sac, and the 3/4 is the chick inside. No? With no water. And you can see the bill, ano na, tok-tok bala?
Yeah.
The
The bill.
bill of the chick that inside that moving. That is the good quality eggs that will hatch at 18 days. If you can see that egg at 18 days, you can transfer at the hatcher. Okay, ma'am. Transfer mo digya.
Mhm.
No? And
Yes.
then, there's a time that at 18 days old, the chick inside is moving, but there's still water. So our design are so the common problem for that is it is late development.
Mhm.
If late development, you can extend here sa seater.
Mhm.
Or the good sign that you can transfer now is when you see that the egg is pip.
Yeah, when you
There's
start
pip
poking.
na. Ma'am, that is a good
Yes.
sign. No? Or you can transfer at 18 days old, or the best sign is kasi is when pip.
Yeah. Okay.
You can transfer now the egg na.
Cool.
Muna pinakasimple, ma'am. No?
Yeah.
Pag pip na, transfer mo sa
Transfer,
hatcher,
ano?
and then add more water to increase humidity to 70-75.
Okay.
If you could not reach 70 to 75, just message me. I will help you, ma'am. Ha?
Oh, okay.
The important thing I will know only is the temperature and the humidity here inside.
Mm.
No more
So
na.
the temperature should be like 37 or 38.
The sitting now is 37. Okay, will start. Mahal, isimitira na yung mali. Kumar, di kabot. Okay. The temperature that is sitting her is set is 37.8. But sometimes it will
Go up and down.
go
yeah.
up and down higher than 38.1, 2.3. But it is critical when the temperature goes to 38.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No? So if the temperature goes up, it means the area is hot or there's a problem of the incubator. But if there's a problem, just call me, ma'am, message me. Then picture, then is kanya ka ma'am, troubleshoot natin.
Okay.
Ha?
Yes.
So, the set temperature is 37.8. This light turn off at 37.8. But the value here sometimes go up 38.1, 0.2 is okay. And then, it will turn on again at 37.6. Okay. And we have spare 50 watts lang condensate bulb.
Okay.
Spare parts. So you put the manual turning if you want. Ayan, sir.
Okay. Manual turning yung...
If you want to manually turn. But
Oh.
after 90 minutes, if not turn off, it will automatically turn.
Okay. Oh.
Ay, man, screw ganun yung kung tagamay man. Hello. Tapos manang sinabi, mapa ko cellphone ko. Ay manawag ta kay ma'am refer ta. I-refer ta ka sa friend ko naman. Ma'am.
Okay.
So, isa ba pa natin ma'am ha?
Mm.
During sitting time, like in our practice, there is a time that there's no need water. Basta, the reading here sa humidity is nalong marilo ma'am. During sitting time, 53 to 63% only ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So, no need to
Yes.
have water.
And then during hot sitting time, you need to increase the humidity. Then you should add more water.
Okay.
Ang
Oh.
friend ko kaina, that sell egg, fertile egg na brown, nandigya kayo na ma'am.
Oh,
Pamashare diya ka na ako.
he was here.
So, i-forward ko lang number na, tapos ko mo lang kontakan na itanada lang ng
Okay.
tapos may itawagan ko lang tulad kung may available yung mansanta.
Okay. So, we can go there
Oo.
straight away.
Or kung di ka ni-delivered naman.
Oo.
Hindi siya rin ninyo ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
But if you have some EBR there, automatic voltage regulator, much better. No?
Oh, okay.
Oo. Kay the common problem now here in either in Iloilo, the voltage sometimes is very high and then sometimes low. So much better that you have an automatic voltage regulator. So that
Okay.
it will stabilize. As of now, here in our area or in our hatchery, we use AVR, automatic voltage regulator. As of now, if there is no AVR, all voltage reading is now 240. That could damage the electronic parts. So, nag-AVR kami tulad mo. Yan na ma'am. Ay, ikaw na lang natin nga mag-off na ma'am ha.
Okay.
May warranty kita ma'am na 3 months ha.
Okay.
Basta update mo lang ko ma'am.
Alright.
Tapos i-friend mo lang ko sa Facebook.
Facebook. Okay.
Ang 3G farm nga sticker ma'am ha.
Sure. Oo.
May pangawit ko sa likod. Guys. Kaya ko kaya. Kaya ma'am. Kung gusto mo ma'am maging sturdy na, pwede mo ma'am putson ka tape.
Tape. Okay.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero may buhok yung sa likod, ilapot na buhok niya ma'am.
Okay.
Ginakwada lang natin tanay preheat nga sa mag-off na naman. Mga pira ka bilog ang maklog nyo kung paano.
How many, let's say if they have available eggs, how many eggs, if they have available eggs, how many eggs do you want to buy from them?
3 dozen, I got.
3 dozen. Bisa tatlo lang, kadusina, para i-testing naman.
Paano ko rin yung 3 dozen, 36.
36.
Mga 30 lang ma'am, para isa ka tray.
Okay,
30
30.
pieces, kaya
Like
isa ka tray.
30, so one tray.
One tray.
Yeah, we'll test. Yeah,
I-refer ta ka ma'am.
okay.
He said it's pine tree.
Oh, it is?
If it is, I'm gonna go.
Cool.
So before using the incubator, you should preheat ma'am. for almost 1 hour.
Preheat, okay. Preheat
Preheat.
for 1 hour.
Hello ma'am, good morning ma'am Len. Yes ma'am, si Alan dyan ma'am. Ma'am, i-refer ta ka ma'am.
Look at this. Look at this. So we have our own incubator.
Itao ko lang mga 1 tray mo lang ma'am. Itao ko lang number mo sa kay, ang kani first name mo ma'am?
Maricel.
Ma'am Maricel. Ikaw lang kung tanan ng tanan.
So this is the incubators. Yeah.
Sige ma'am.
And they're incubating a lot of eggs there. So we're happy that we found this place. It's so
Pwede yung mag-check sa
cool.
sulod ma'am. Sa mag-ijuan sa sulod.
Sige. Okay. Because we have a YouTube channel, nag-start kami.
Okay.
Oo. Wow, cool.
Almost full.